Euro's floating up here around 38, which is a higher high for euro, keep in mind. All right, I'll try euro. All right, so I'm short at 37 on euro, short 55 on euro yen. Let's say just, 10 pip stops on each. Nothing major. Dow really hasn't taken a direction yet. All right, now what I want to see euro dollar do is get under this 35 band shade and ultimately this 32 band shade, holding as resistance, and then come test these 1 minute boxes. I think that's reasonable for euro dollar to test these boxes. Now, what we also want to see is euro yen down. Obviously, we're in the position, but euro yen also helps euro dollar move lower. So that would be good. Dollar yen, honestly, I'd rather stay put because dollar yen moving down makes euro dollar go up, and dollar yen moving up makes euro yen go up. So dollar yen staying still is what I'd like to see, and it doesn't historically move that much, so I think that's pretty good. Right. Yeah. Uh-huh. Have to keep an eye on that. Yeah, the yen's doing something. I mean, right now it's kind of. I mean, euro dollar's finally doing something good. We're finally coming down off our level. We've got about 4 or 5 pips on it now. For what? Parity? What one? Oh, for euro dollar? Oh no, euro dollar is at 137. So a dollar. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I mean, it was at a few weeks ago. It was down at 128, 129. So it's bounced up a bit, but the dollar's been weak. Oh, I reached it a while back, but not lately. It's on its way up now, so we'll see how high it goes before. Yeah. Yeah, oh, big time. All right, here we go. All right, 29. Let me take a little bit off of euro. All right, let me see here if we're gonna. I wanted to see if we can touch 25. Let me give it another second. We've confirmed our direction. Let's see if we can get a touch on maybe this 25. There's the band shade there that I'd like to touch. Euro yen, notice, hasn't really moved, and that's because dollar yen is somewhat is kind of moving up a little bit, and that's kind of why. All right, let me take one off at. Oh, hang on, man. We're gonna drop here. Let me give it a second. I was tempted to take one off at about 8 pips, 9 pips here, but we're moving lower. So let me see if we can't touch this 25, which is now a 26. That band shade. You see how the band shade bounced it? So a lot of times, that's the band shade that'll hold it. Now, if euro yen could start dropping, that would really help. All right, there's 27 plus 10. Let me get out 26. There we go, 25. All right, so I'm going to take half off at 26 plus 11. I'm going to let that other bit of euro dollar ride. I mean, this is a 1 minute entry, though, to be quite honest with you. Okay, my broker's still dropping, though. I got 23.24 on my broker. You got it, cash. 10 on half, very nice. All right, we're at the 1 minute box. A lot of times you could easily stay here and see, like, you know, if we're gonna go lower. I'm gonna go flat here because we're at a 1 minute entry, so I'm out on that one. I still got euro yen going. I mean, see, the thing is this right here is a 1 minute entry. I'm not saying it's not going to come lower, okay? But the pattern is a higher high with a 1 minute entry. That's an entry for some people, okay? So because it's a buy entry, that's also an exit short for me.